guys, today we are going to finish our biology with document 3, which is about obesity, symptoms of the rich country. What is obesity? It's the accumulation of adipose tissue, accumulation of lipids. So if you have an increase of 20% over your ideal weight, you are obese. In order to know whether you are very thin or normal or moderate or obese, you have to calculate your BMI, the body mass index, which is your weight in kilogram over your height square, which is in meter. So if you have the body mass index is less than 18, you are very thin. If it is between 18 and 20, you are thin. Between 20 and 25, you are normal. More than 25, you are moderate. Between 20, moreover than 29, you are obese. So, if you want to know your ideal weight, you have to do this calculation: height minus 100 minus height minus 150 over x, which is 4 for men and 2 for women. So you can figure out what is your ideal weight. If your weight is double or triple your ideal weight, you are exposed to hypertension, which is an increase in your pressure, diabetes, and atherosclerosis, which is heart disease. This is called fatal obesity. This means that this obesity is going to kill you. So what happens when you eat? You know that carbohydrates are going to be transformed into sugar, which is glucose. This is something we spoke about in the earlier lessons. Normally, this glucose is taken by your cells in order to produce energy by the oxidation reaction. If you consume more food, this means you will have excess of glucose in your blood, which is impossible because the level of sugar in the blood should be constant, which is 1 gram per liter. This is all the glycemic level. So the excess of glucose is going to be transformed into glycogen and stored in the liver. However, when your liver has excess of glycogen, so it stores this excess of sugar in the form of fatty acids and glycerols, which are lipids and fats, in the form of adipose tissue in your thighs or in your stomach. These are some reasons why you might have obesity: bad feeding habits, eating lots of sugars, the sedentary lifestyle, eating and sleeping without moving, hereditary reasons. Taking a medication can cause also obesity. There are some people who eat when they are stressed, which is this overfeeding. Menopause, when the menstrual cycle stops. The pregnancy, or when you quit smoking, this also can cause obesity. So please, solve page 32